welcome back with a new video. Today I am going to show you how to make homemade sanitizer. For this you can make two types of sanitizers, and I am going to show you both of it using only two ingredients. The ingredients to make the first one is some Dettol and some aloe vera or some aloe vera gel. Both are same. Now I am going to do it with the pure aloe vera. You need to cut off the sides first. Then you got to cut some of the skin, and then you have to peel it. Or you can just cut the skin perfectly. I'm cutting a little. You can wear some gloves and do it because it might be slippery. You have to transfer it into a bowl. This time take only the gel. Press it into it hardly, and also slippery. And you don't need to add any water. Now I have washed my hands. Now as you can see, I have transferred a little aloe vera. After mixing, you need to add one whole cup of Dettol. It can be lime or original, any type of Dettol. And you can also use aloe vera gel instead of normal aloe vera. One cup. Now we have to mix it again. You can put it into a spray bottle, and this gets expired in a week. Before using it, you have to shake it well. And you have to put a cap and store it in a cool place and make it stay away from sunlight. Now I'm going to use it. And now I'm going to show you the second trick, how to make. To create the second one, you will be using some coconut oil, any type of coconut oil, and some Dettol. You will put some coconut oil, and for this you will only be putting 2 spoons. One, two, but it also gets expired in 1 week, and you will be using 1 cup of Dettol again. Now we have to mix it. After you finish, you have to put 1 spoon of aloe vera gel or some aloe vera. I'm going to use aloe vera gel. You can use any company of aloe vera gel. 1 spoon. Now I'm going to be mixing it. It kills germs. The main ingredients are Dettol and aloe vera. Aloe vera kills the germs and Dettol has isopropyl alcohol which kills most of the germs. It also expires in 1 week. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe. Stay safe and try to make sanitizer and use it, and make sure you don't use more or less than 1 week because it might get expired.